Hello and welcome back to Daily Planning for Bitcoin and Gold. Today is the 11th of February 2026. So, did you guys got any trade I got on gold? Hopefully you guys had gotten this. This is a very classic liquidation reversal for me. So, if you guys got this, good for you. It's pretty simple. You have this big liquidation here on this particular part. This is a liquidation for me, a puke. And then afterwards, you wait for some kind of reversal with smaller amount of volume on the inverse side. For this part, this is a puke, so price drops. We have lots of selling volumes, and afterwards you see that this on this particular candle, we say that volume is very low compared to the inverse part, and it reverses immediately. For me, this is a pretty good reason to open a trade, and at the very least you want to target the first ever puke, and you easily get this 1.3R, or if it's not a long continuation, you could aim for the previous highs. You get 2.1. It's very good. Okay? But it's okay. What's the plan? Okay, I'm gonna remove this. And this still gonna... Actually, we're gonna remove it. Didn't really think. Okay. So, Bitcoin. We're still below weekly view up currently, and we're now back into the 2024 VA. Hence, our POIs is still the same as before. We're just gonna remove the POIs that are already affected. And our POI for today is gonna be either this for a reaction on the previous weekly band, or the 2024 value area low, or if the momentum still persists, then what you want to see like this. This is a persisting momentum, very strong one. If by any chance we have some kind of absorption for a bit, you might want to see a little bit of pullbacks, a heavy one, and you want to see something like this. Either it almost touch and then drop, it's going red, 4 directions, or it touch, have a little bit of deviation and then drop, or worst case one, it touch any POIs and by any kind of out of nowhere there is a volume and buyer stepping in, the other market participants, and then boom, it's going upwards. Usually those kind of things has a price action of something like this. Each candle is very very long, and if that happens, then your bet would be something like this. If this case, the third one, happens, then your bet would be our weekly VWAP for a reaction. Okay, so that's for Bitcoin planning. Gold, as we have previously stated before, yesterday exactly, currently gold still favors long. So if we are having a short position, manage your account properly. At first, I was building a short for the extreme, but since daily open, we are actually way above 50% of the range most of the time. Hence, that make me think that it's actually rare and also a little bit of impossible to went straight immediately. So I took a precautionary, which it helps. It goes when to TP before it invalidates me. If I went further, it's gonna invalidate me. Okay, so I'm gonna remove all of the things that aren't useful. Okay, gold. Still the same. We're currently on the uptrend and we are also compression here. Compression by our magic line and also currently above our weekly view up. So what's the plan? Plan is still the same. If, let's see, 5 minutes. If by any chance it still holds weekly view up, then your bet would be this weekly view up. Then your bet would be to still holds above weekly view up and then bounce. That's one. And also, since we are currently grinding up, then we're gonna touch our magic equals high. Remember this? We have a POI here. So that's our 2 plans for gold. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. See you tomorrow.